So Soundtrack E is investigating a new bispecific antibody called AZD0486, which is targeting CD19 and CD3. This is a little bit different from some of the commonly now approved bispecific antibodies that target CD20. We think CD19 is a particularly attractive target in CLL because of its ubiquitous expression at high levels. And we're optimistic, based on some early data from follicular lymphoma, that this agent will be very active, but also very well tolerated with relatively low rates of cytokine release syndrome and neurologic toxicities. So Soundtrack E is the first study of this drug in patients with CLL, as well as mantle cell lymphoma. It's also a study that looks at subcutaneous dosing of the compound compared to prior IV dosing, which would be very convenient for patients. And so, we're starting with very low dose with a dose ramp up to try to mitigate CRS and other toxicities. There's also a cohort of this study looking at the combination of the AZD0486 with R-CHOP chemotherapy for patients with diffuse large B-cell lymphoma as a frontline therapy. So this is a trials in progress poster, really just kind of summarizing the design of the study, which is ongoing now, and we're excited to be actively recruiting patients.